Set and ready to race and they're off. Early lead is taken by Storming Norman from the outside. Ako ang boss and moving up by the rail. Encouragement. It's Encouragement in the lead followed by Magic Machine. And Ako ang boss moving up by the rail. Amazing Damascus. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Encouragement leading the field by 3.5 lengths. Magic Machine, Ako ang boss. And Storming Norman moving up on the outside. Gintong Gantimpala, Amazing Damascus. Rounding the far turn, still Encouragement by Alain Can Happen. Closing in second, Magic Machine. Is Storming Norman running in third by 2.5 lengths. And here comes entry number 2, Amazing Damascus. Ako ang boss and Gintong Gantimpala. The last bend for home. It is still Encouragement in the lead, followed by Magic Machine on the outside. Is Storming Norman on the farther outside. Ako ang boss and Amazing Damascus on the farther outside. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line is still Encouragement leading the field. Magic Machine on the outside is Storming Norman, Amazing Damascus. And finally at the payoff line, it's still Encouragement. Finally, Encouragement, Magic Machine, Storming Norman, Amazing Damascus. Ako ang boss, Gintong Gantimpala.
5-6-2 ang unofficial na dating.